Good morning, dear children. In equilibrium, part 14, we will see for hydrolysis of salts and pH of their solution. As we know, acid and base, they form the salt. This salt, when it is dissolved in water, it goes for ionization. Like if we talk about an aqueous solution of NaCl, then it will be dissociated into Na plus and Cl minus. That is, cations and anions are formed on ionization of salts. Either they exist as hydrated ion in aqueous solution or they interact with water to perform या reform corresponding acids or bases depending upon the nature of the salts. मेरी बात समझ में आई? When they are ionized, then in the solution they either behave hydrated ion in aqueous solution or they interact with water to reform corresponding acids or bases depending upon the nature of the salts. Actually, the interaction between water and cations or anions is or both is called the hydrolysis. Okay, hydrolysis क्या है? Water और पहले cation and anions are separated, then they interact with water, and this phenomenon is known as hydrolysis. Okay, some of the positive ions, they are obtained from the strong bases like K plus, Na plus, Ca2 plus, barium 2 plus. They are cations. All the positive ions are cations. They are of strong bases. And some negative ions like anions Cl minus, bromide, then nitrate, then ClO4, है ना, they are of strong acids. ये strong bases से मिलते हैं positive ions और ये strong acids से मिलते हैं negative ions. So they are the cations and anions. These anions and cations, they get hydrated but they are not hydrolyzed. ठीक है. So the salt solution formed from the acids and bases are neutral. कैसे acid? Strong acid और strong bases जो salt मिलते हैं वो hydrolyzed नहीं होते हैं. They are hydrated but they are not hydrolyzed. Okay, and the salts formed from these strong acids and strong bases are neutral in nature. Okay, their pH is 7. But some of the examples, if you see, like CH3CONa, sodium acetate. So it is a salt made up of weak acid and strong bases. कौन सा weak acid बेटा? Acetic acid, ethanoic acid and strong base, ethanoic acid and sodium hydroxide base, strong base. Correct? So it is made up of a weak acid and strong base. Similarly, NH4Cl, it is made up of weak base and strong acid. So this is the weak base, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, and strong acid is HCl. And CH3CONH4, ये किससे बना हुआ बेटा? ये weak acid यानी acetic acid और weak base यानी NH4OH दोनों से बना हुआ है. So weak acid and weak base. Which एक weak acid, right now I told you, CH3COOH, acetic acid, and NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. So this CH3CONa, first wala, you see, this CH3CONa, which is made up of weak acid and strong base, in aqueous solution, it completely ionizes. So it will give CH3COO minus ion and Na plus ion. Both are separated. Complete ionization is there. ये salt की बात कर रहे हैं. This salt is completely ionized in water. When this is completely ionized in water, so this CH3CO minus ion will be obtained acetate ion. This acetate ion undergoes hydrolysis in water. So you see, this is interacting with water. तो क्या बनेगा? फिर से H ले लिया तो एसिड बना दिया and OH minus ion separate हो गया. फिर से ये hydrolysis of water से H plus ion it has received and it has again made acetic acid and OH minus ion is separated. As we see that this CH3COOH is a weak acid and its Ka is 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Larger the Ka, stronger is the acid. Here its Ka is smaller. So smaller the Ka, weaker the acid. We also know that CH3COOH is a weak acid. This CH3COOH though remains unionized in solution as a weak acid because it's a weak acid. लेकिन OH माइनस आयन की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अब बढ़ जाएगी वाटर में. ठीक है ना, इसने तो एसिड बना दिया तो ये रिमेन एज सच, बट OH माइनस आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन विल बी इंक्रीज इन वाटर. So solution will become alkaline and pH will be more than 7. Similarly, in water, NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, this will dissociate in NH4 plus and Cl minus ion. So NH4 ion will dissolve in water and again hydrolysis होगा इसका. So it will form NH4OH plus H plus. NH4OH plus H plus. So what will happen? This weak base is again formed and H plus ion is remained there in the solution. Okay, क्योंकि इसका Kb ये एक weak base है, its Kb is 1.77 into 10 raised to power minus 5. It's a weak base, so it remains unionized. So H plus ion concentration will increase. When H plus ion concentration will increase, then the solution will become acidic, and H plus ion increases in the solution and solution becomes acidic. H plus जितना ज़्यादा होगा उतना acidic solution होगा and pH will be smaller than 7. Understood? But what about when the salt is made up of weak acid and weak base? इस तरह के सॉल्ट के केस में वीक एसिड क्या है बेटा? CH3COOH. वीक बेस क्या है? NH4OH. सो इनके केस में क्या होगा? CH3COO minus ion will be formed. NH4 plus ion will be formed. This minus ion, that is anion, this positive ion, they will go for interaction with water. तो फिर से इसने H ले लिया वाटर का, अगेन एसिटिक एसिड इज फॉर्म्ड. बचा क्या था? OH. तो NH4OH इज फॉर्म्ड. जो एसिड और बेस थे वो मिल गए. बोथ एसिड एंड बेस, दैट इज एसिटिक एसिड एंड अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, आर ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन पार्शियली डिसोसिएटेड फॉर्म. पूरा का पूरा वो ये नहीं बन जाता, कुछ डिसोसिएट भी होते हैं ये एसिड और बेस, थोड़ा डिसोसिएटेड फॉर्म में भी रहते हैं. ओके, व्हेन दे आर इन डिसोसिएटेड फॉर्म, तो CH3COH कैसे डिसोसिएट होगा बेटा? CH3CO माइनस एसिटेट आयन एंड H प्लस आयन हो गया ना ये डिसोसिएशन. Then this will be dissociated as NH4 ion and OH minus ion. थोड़ा पार्ट इसका डिसोसिएटेड फॉर्म में भी होता है और थोड़ा अनडिसोसिएटेड भी होता है. H2O तो you know H plus and OH minus. All the in this type of solution which is made up of dissolving a salt made up of weak acid and weak base, pH is decided by a formula that is pH is equal to 7 plus half pKa minus pKb value. So based upon this, one question I want to show you. Question number 7.25. It is given in the textbook. Solved example है. pKa value is given. So we will write here pKa of acetic acid is equal to 4.76. Okay. Similarly, pKb is also given. pKb of ammonium hydroxide NH4OH is given. It is 4.75. Okay. Calculate the pH. Calculate pH of salt. कौन सा सॉल्ट बेटा? एसिटिक एसिड और अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड मिलके क्या बनेगा? अमोनियम एसिटेट. सो अमोनियम एसिटेट. What is the formula of ammonium acetate? CH3COO NH4. So this we have to find out. pH ये कैसा सॉल्ट है पहले देख लिया मैंने. ये वीक एसिड है और ये वीक बेस से बना हुआ सॉल्ट है. सो आई विल राइट हियर pH is equal to formula 7 plus half into pKa and minus pKb. So what is our 7 plus half into 4.76 minus 4.75 is equal to 7 plus half into 0.01 is equal to, when you will do this, is 7 plus 0.005 is equal to 7.005. Easy. So in this way we calculate the pH. And if it is less than 7, then अगर कैसा होगा? अगर pH of a solution can be greater than 7 if difference is positive. So यहाँ difference हमारा पॉजिटिव आया है तो ये 7 से ऊपर जाएगा. अगर यहाँ difference नेगेटिव आता तो ये 7 से नीचे आता. ठीक है, बस इतना ही ध्यान रखना है.